Usain Bolt, in full Usain Street. Leo Bolt, born August 21, 1986, Montego Bay, Jamaica, Jamaican sprinter who won gold medals in the 100-meter and 200-meter races in an unprecedented 3 straight Olympic Games and is widely considered the greatest sprinter of all time. Bolt, the son of grocers in Jamaica's rural Trelawney parish, excelled as a cricket fast bowler in his preteen years. He developed a deep affection for the European football, soccer, teams Real Madrid and Manchester United, but his school coaches steered him toward track and field. Bolt first marked himself as a track prodigy at the 2002 World Junior Championships. In that meet, racing before a crowd of 36,000 in Jamaica's National Stadium in Kingston, Bolt, just 15 years old at the time, won gold in the 200 meters, becoming the youngest ever male world junior champion in any event. At age 16, Bolt cut the junior, age 19 and under, 200-meter world record to 20.13 seconds, and at 17 he ran the event in 19.93 seconds, becoming the first teenager to break 20 seconds in the race. However, hampered by a hamstring injury, he failed to advance beyond the 200-meter heats at the 2004 Olympics in Athens and placed last in the 2005 World Track and Field Championships final. At 6 feet 5 inches, 1.96 meters, Bolt defied the conventional wisdom that very tall sprinters are disadvantaged as fast starters. In 2007 he appeared newly dedicated to his training and earned a silver medal in the 200 meters at the World Championships. He also persuaded his coach to let him try the 100 meters, and he ran 10.03 seconds in his first professional race at the distance. On May 3, 2008, he lowered his best time to 9.76 seconds, then the world's second fastest mark. 4 weeks later in New York City, Bolt broke the world record, running 9.72 seconds to defeat world champion Tyson Gay. At the 2008 Olympic Games, Bolt became the first man since American Carl Lewis in 1984 to win the 100 meters, 200 meters, and 4 times 100-meter relay in a single Olympics and the first ever to set world records, 9.69 seconds, 19.30 seconds, and 37.10 seconds, respectively, in all 3 events. However, a failed drug test by one of his 4 times 100 teammates led to Bolt's having his gold medal in that event stripped. His 0.66 seconds winning margin in the 200-meter race was the largest in Olympic history, and his 0.20 seconds edge over the second-place finisher in the 100 meters, despite beginning his victory celebration about 80 meters into the race, was the largest since Lewis won by the same margin. At the 2009 World Championships, Bolt shattered his 100-meter record, winning the event final in 9.58 seconds. 4 days later he broke his own 200-meter record by the same 0.11 seconds margin to win a second gold medal at the World Championships. Bolt was the heavy favorite in the sprint events heading into the 2011 World Championships, but a false start disqualified him from the 100-meter final. Despite failing to medal in his signature race, Bolt recovered to capture golds in the 200 meters and the 4 times 100-meter relay, helping to set a new world record in the latter event. At the 2012 Olympics in London, Bolt defended his titles in the 100-meter and 200-meter events, setting an Olympic record in the former, to become the first person to win both races in consecutive Olympiads. In 2013 he won 3 gold medals at the World Championships, 100 meters, 200 meters, and 4 times 100-meter relay. At the 2015 World Championships Bolt again won gold medals in his 3 signature events, 100 meters, 200 meters, and 4 times 100-meter relay, and his 4th career 200-meter gold extended his record for most wins in that race at the World Championships. He cemented his role as the best sprinter in history at the Rio de Janeiro 2016 Olympic Games, where he captured golds in the 100-meter, 200-meter, and 4 times 100-meter relay events, becoming the first person to win golds in the 2 individual sprints in 3 straight Olympics. He retired from athletics after the 2017 World Championships, where he won a bronze medal in the 100-meter sprint and finished in 8th place as a member of the 4 times 100-meter relay team after injuring a hamstring during the final. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.